Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're tackling front motor mount bushings on the old dump truck. So I replaced it back in 2019, and the mark balancer is getting a little too close to the cross member for my comfort. So I can just see being on the job and then all of a sudden hearing the noise. But I'll see what I can do. Those motor mount bushings are pretty much well screwed. So we're gonna get in there. Got the tripod set up for you guys, so we'll see if how this works. So you can see bushings are shot. So there's a good inch. That engine's supposed to be greased up there, so. Oh boy! Oh boy! We can fix that.
I passed a mailbox as still as my dent on a gravel drive where my weekends were spent. I used to know every squeak in that floor. Now I'm just a visitor at my own front door. I see him out there, standing too close.
Definitely say.
Teaching my boy how to grip a ball while
bad.
I'm on the outside, backed against a wall. 'Cause that's my boy, that's my whole world. That ain't my truck in the driveway. That's my blood, that's my name. But everything else is gone and changed. The gavel fell and the ink went dry, and gave a stranger the right to my
Got the motor mounts on. So you see the old ones versus the new ones. And then see how much gap is down there now between that cross member and the mount balancer. That's what we want. What we want. And then beautiful. Ain't got that gap no more. I'm all right. Now we're gonna jack the front end up, grease the kingpins, go ahead and grease the front end up, check everything out, and yeah. So motor mounts are complete.
They say work hard and you'll get ahead, but I'm just breaking my back inside.